Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable tab previews in the Windows taskbar when using the Firefox web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So open lang tayo ng ating Firefox web browser, and then kailangan lang tayo mag-add ng couple of tabs. So search lang tayo, and then one more. Okay, so now if we were to go look at the Firefox icon down the taskbar and you hover over it, it's going to show the active tabs only. So kapag tinignan natin dito sa taskbar yung Firefox, makikita mo lang dito yung active tabs that you're currently viewing now. Ito siya. Alright, so if you want to allow all the tabs to show down here at the taskbar and show you how to modify the settings. So dito na sa upper right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong tatlong lines. And then next, kailangan mo lang i-select tong settings. Dito lang sa general and then scroll ka lang. Makikita mo na dito yung tab settings. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select itong show tab previews in the Windows taskbar. So i-click mo lang itong box na to. And then kapag tinignan mo na dito yung Firefox dito sa taskbar natin, pag in-over natin ito, ay makikita mo na dito yung active na tabs natin dito. Alright? Ganito siya. Okay, so kapag i-disable mo nito, pag uncheck mo yan, and then ang makikita mo lang nito yung active, isa lang siya. Kapag chinik mo tong box, and then makikita mo lahat ito siya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin enable or disable yung show tab previews in Windows taskbar sa Firefox. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.